Hi everyone, hey friends. Today I'm going to talk about some of the uses of peppermint specifically for summer, but I'm going to throw in a bunch of other stuff. How I love to use it. It's helpful for digestive support. It helps to open up the airways if you're feeling congested. Helps to calm the head. If you've got a little bit of tension, you can put some on your temples. This is a roller, so it's diluted, so I can just put some on the temples or along the hairline. Oh, I love that, all around the back there. Also known as the oil of lightheartedness. In the summertime, I feel like this is a necessary oil to have as a tea. I like to make a cold tea with the dried herb, but if you want a little extra boost, you can use it as a pick-me-up in the afternoon if you start to feel sluggish. So you can take this peppermint in particular. Has been tested in a lab thoroughly to make sure that it's pure peppermint, that it has its most beneficial therapeutic qualities in its chemical constituency. So I've got actually some in the diffuser here with some citronella. So equal amounts of peppermint, so 3 drops of peppermint, 3 drops of citronella, and they're both invigorating. So I use this as a focus blend. So if you're dealing with feeling stuck, feeling despair, loss, or anything like that, it's a really great oil to kind of like stimulate and motivate. I also like it for sore muscles, but all right, we'll talk about a bunch of this. So laser focus, diffuse it, and as a refreshing blend. If you're too hot at night, you're having a hard time sleeping, you can diffuse some peppermint, maybe with some lavender. And in the daytime, you can put some in a spray bottle and spritz it on. And it cools you right down really fast. Or if you want to go gung-ho with a really good spritzer, this is a good one to invest in because it has, it smells so good. Love these. Peppermint is known because it opens up the airway and allows for more oxygen into the brain. It helps with increased energy and alertness. It's great for any kind of, if you're feeling overheated from the sun, or even if you're not feeling well, maybe you just got a jab and you might have a bit of a fever. To help bring down that fever, you can use peppermint because it actually is very cooling. It's good for burns and even sunburns, so you might want to mix it with some aloe vera and vitamin E. And also lavender is great for soothing burns, so maybe some peppermint and lavender for soothing that burn. If you're dealing with memory loss, any of the oils are really good, but peppermint and rosemary specifically are wonderful, and they're known for improving memory, especially when used over time. And there's other oils as well for those. Cravings, if you're dealing with too many cravings, then using peppermint to help not necessarily suppress, but alleviate that craving and put your mind onto something else. Muscle stiffness and tension, so you can actually put some, if you're dealing with muscle stiffness and tension from the neck, if you're on your computer, on your laptop at home, you're working from home, and you need that release, great right there. And anywhere else. I dealt with arthritic pain and I used peppermint and frankincense because frankincense is an anti-inflammatory and peppermint is cooling, and the two together for arthritic pain is beautiful. Symptoms such as like itchy eyes, runny nose, and congestion, peppermint is one of the oils that can help to open up the airway so that you can breathe better. And in combination with lavender and lemon, so the three together, peppermint, lavender, and lemon. Lavender is nature's antihistamine, and lemon helps to cut mucus, just like it cuts grease and all that other stuff. It actually cuts mucus. So you can put the 2 drops of each in a diffuser at night or during the day, and you can also mix the 2 in a roller bottle. And if you have the ones that are improved by either Health Canada, or if you're in the States, if there's one, if you have the oils like these ones that are tested and they're safe to use internally, then you can mix it with some honey and take it under your tongue, and that's also very effective, used on a regular basis. For head tension, neck tension, things like that, because it opens up those blood vessels that are constricted and causing pain. Bad breath, excellent. Forgot to bring that one, but I have a tiny little spray bottle that I use for that. Or you can just put a drop on your thumb, hold it on the roof of your mouth, lick it there, and it freshens your breath, right? A lot less sugary than a breath mint, but it tastes awesome. If any kind of lung issues, again, it helps to open up the airway so you can breathe better. And mamas out there who are breastfeeding, it helps to balance milk supply. If somebody's dealing with a loss of smell, peppermint is wonderful, again, because it opens up the airways and any kind of digestive issues. So some people that might have GERDs or something like that, you won't want to use it internally, but you can use it topically to help soothe those muscles. So either the esophagus or the stomach, or even the intestines, that help with digestion, and it softens and cools any inflammation, all in this area. So wonderful, wonderful for digestive support. And emotionally, it helps us from feeling hindered to feeling invigorated. It's a very invigorating, optimistic, buoyant, cheerful oil, feeling vibrant, and helps you to feel brave as well. So lovely peppermint. Oh, because it is June, you do this month, you get a full bottle, 15 ml of peppermint with doTERRA, if you have a doTERRA account, or even if you don't, and if you want to try them with a 200 PV purchase, you get one of these full bottle. There's 250 drops in here. It'll last you a while, a long time. You get this for free along with a bunch of other oils. And if you're in Canada, you also get the peppermint roller touch for free. These two, as well as a bunch of other oils. If you already have an account, make sure you get that promo. And if you don't already have an account and you want to try these oils, you can contact me directly, and I also have links with discounted kits. If you have any questions about any oils, let me know. I'm taking your questions. And have a wonderful, hopefully cooling day. Ciao.